In the world of travel trailers, there's something undeniably magical about vintage designs. While modern RVs and campers come with all the technological bells and whistles, there's an undeniable charm to the retro aesthetic of mid-century campers. And when it comes to iconic vintage trailers, few can compete with the allure of the 1947 Westcraft Sequoia. This beautifully restored gem looks more glamorous than many of today's travel trailers, and it's quickly turning heads in the RV world. Built by Westcraft, a renowned trailer manufacturer that began in Los Angeles in 1932, the Sequoia is a classic example of craftsmanship from an era where design, durability, and elegance were paramount. Westcraft was known for producing high-quality, long-lasting trailers that could withstand the test of time, and the 1947 Sequoia is no exception. This vintage trailer was originally constructed on a 28-foot dual-axle chassis and was made to last, utilizing aircraft construction techniques. The result is a travel trailer that's not only built to endure but also looks stunning wherever it goes. This particular Westcraft Sequoia has undergone an exhaustive restoration process that has brought it back to life in breathtaking detail. The current owner, who runs Above and Beyond Customs, purchased it in 2021 as a project and spent the last 3 years meticulously restoring it to its former glory and beyond. The result is a trailer that looks as good, if not better, than when it first rolled out of the factory in 1947. The exterior of the Sequoia is a showstopper. The entire trailer has been refinished with a stunning tricolor blue and silver paint job, giving it a fresh yet nostalgic vibe. Not a single detail was overlooked during the restoration. From the custom rear bumper with a hitch receiver to the refinished dark blue wheels wrapped in load-range tires, the trailer's exterior gleams with attention to detail. The addition of modern features, like a mini-split condenser unit and updated wiring, makes this beauty not just a looker, but a functional piece of history. What's truly remarkable is that this Sequoia still retains its signature mid-century charm, which is all thanks to the careful restoration of the interior. The cabin-like interior features warm, pecan-stained Russian birch wood, which has been used for the cabinetry and paneling. The red relicate distressed leather upholstery adds a touch of retro elegance, while classic wooden blinds and LVF vinyl flooring complete the vintage aesthetic. The layout is simple yet practical, with a living room at the front, a central kitchen, and a rear bedroom. While the trailer doesn't have a bathroom, which the seller intentionally left out in the redesign, the owner envisions this Sequoia as a piece of rolling art that would be perfect for display in a museum or as part of a car collection. The kitchen is equipped with vintage-style appliances from Smeg, Bertazzoni, and Nostalgia, adding functionality to the trailer's aesthetic. The bedroom area is equally impressive, featuring a custom bed with a contoured memory foam mattress. Between the kitchen and the lounge area, there's a dining spot with a pull-out table and chairs, all upholstered in the same red leather as the fold-out couch. The entire space exudes mid-century modern vibes, and the combination of luxury and retro design makes it stand out as a truly special piece of Americana. Currently for sale on Bring a Trailer, this 1947 Westcraft Sequoia has already garnered attention, with bids exceeding $100,000. And it's easy to see why. The combination of vintage appeal, craftsmanship, and modern upgrades makes this travel trailer a one-of-a-kind investment for any lover of classic RVs. Whether you're looking for a unique piece of American history, a stunning showpiece for your property, or a glamorous travel trailer that evokes nostalgia, the Westcraft Sequoia is in a league of its own.